Yung araw lang, yung health ko hindi. Pinagdasal ko yun kaysa sa health ko. Please, maganda yung weather.
And it never gets hard enough for you.
Pero naman maalagaan mo si Cathy, tagal-tagal yun.
Parang tatay naman yung ano.
Oh, man.
Best man. Yun ang perks ng pagiging maaga.
Yung Mr. Patatas ba, pakifollow?
Bigyan ng 5,000 yan.
There's no one else.
Sobrang excited.
I'm under your sway.
See you later.
Time, dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around and around, yeah.
To my dearest Christian J. Tonton. Love, love, love. Mahal. Hub, soulmate, and best friend. Dami, no? Finally, our most awaited day has come. Our wedding day. Or should I say, my wedding day.
Be here with me. This is our time. Dance
Halilakan.
floor is jumping. Move me
May
tonight.
bayat lupa dyan. Alam ko na gagawin ko.
That makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Spin me around. This is our time. The dance floor is jumping. Move me tonight. Boy, you got something that makes me feel like I'm at the top of the world. Round and around, yeah. I'm at the top of the world. I'm at the top of the world.
Okay na ba? No? Bigla kang daw kinakaba. Iba pala pag nasa church na. So love, ito na. Ito na talaga, mag-asawa na tayo. Matatawag na kitang Attorney Catherine Calusa Hilera.
Who would have thought na yung short conversation na yon would lead to this day? May bakit naiiyak ako? Tagal. Way back 2017, I was in my darkest time. And only God knows the pain I'm experiencing that time. I was so depressed and sad na parang di tumitigil yung pain. But I never lost my faith to God. I asked Him, Lord, ayoko na pumasaktan. Please heal me. And then, there's you again. Di makatulog sila kasi sila at excited eh. Di sila makatulog.
Siguro mamaya, ano niya, pag tumawa siya, as in, bungis na siya, madaling mailab sa kanya kasi sarap siyang kasama, same time yun, masaya din talaga.
If you can't walk all on your own or get knocked down, just always know that
God healed me through you.
I will carry
I ask God for love, peace, and happiness. And true enough, yun yung pinaramdam mo sa akin.
I will carry you, carry you I will carry you, carry you, carry you carry you I will carry you, carry you, carry you carry you I will carry you, carry you, carry you home.
I want to look back on our very first meet, which is 12 years ago, at Letran Gym, June 2012, during the first day of our Peñag Arriba.
Hold you till my bones give out. And even when we're both
Mama Mary ba?
Bago maging tayo, gabi-gabi ako nagdadasal kay Lord na ipakilala niya na kung sinong para sa akin. Nakakatawa lang naisipin na matagal ko na palang kilala yung makakatuluyan ko. May alarm ba ito? May alarm? Pakasal na rin kayo. Babawi na lang ako, later. Sa regalo.
Okay, bawi na yung 50%.
Guys, ready na ba kayo? Parang same sa pendant ko. Thank you. Tsaka baka babayaran mo sa akin after ng kasal. I promise to continuously love you. Mahal na mahal kita. And I can't wait to see the father that you will become when we welcome our little Hileras.
Yung ngiti mo na nagpapagaan na kahit may mabigat akong pinagdadaanan pagsubok sa buhay. Sa ngiti mo ang gumagana ng aking pakiramdam.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you home. Carry you home. I will carry you.
Love, salamat. Salamat sa pagmamahal. Sobrang dama ko ang pagmamahal mo nung panahon na kahit yung sarili ko, nahihirapan ko na mahalin. Salamat sa pagpapahalaga. Salamat sa pagpapahalaga sa akin at sa atin. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat at dumating ka sa buhay ko. Mahal na mahal kita, love. Asawa ko. Ikaw ang pinakamamahal ko talaga. Taga mo sa bato.
Keep holding on, keep holding on. Carry you home.